Hello and welcome to this video from Strawberry 7. In this video, I'm going to give you an introduction to what Google Workspace is, how it can help you, and how it can help your business. Google Workspace is a subscription service from Google that gives you all of the core digital tools that you need to run your business. Things like email, calendar, document creation and storage, and video calling, as well as a whole host of other tools. All of these tools are together in one place through one super simple and easy to use interface. They're all connected to each other, so they all work together, and these tools work on any device. They're accessible anywhere, anytime that you need to. All of these tools run in a browser when you're on your computer, so you don't have to install any software, you don't have to update anything, you just get on with your work and you just get straight down to business. If you want to know more about Google Workspace and how it can directly benefit your business, I'd love to hear more about what you do. Please just use the link down below to book a meeting with me. Alternatively, you can email info@strawberry7.com, or you can drop a comment down below if you have a direct question about Google Workspace. As always, thank you so much for watching.